All right, right. What's up? What's up? What's up? Coming off a good mail call.
Right into another mail
Yeah,
call.
we're going right into another one over here. So, but at least the last one was good. So, actually, we both got something good. So that was cool. At least we never get crap. Okay, so we're gonna bust these open right here. I don't know what's in it. He probably knows, but I don't.
Let's get that one out of the way.
So we're gonna do this always on.
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.com.
All right, let's get right into this. This box looks kind of interesting. Hopefully, there's nothing weird in it and broke.
Oh wait, grab that.
Let me take that out. Rubbish. Okay. Oh. Please no be boss up.
Okay. I hope it's not.
Oh. Oh. You know what? I think I can let that slide for a bit. You know, see that? Corner ding right there. And it's splitting, but you see that? That's not easy to find, man.
Oh no.
Look at that.
That's
Woo,
nice.
Look at that chrome paint job. Yep. And I found out what this is. The Lost Toppers. You know what Toppers was?
No.
They were the first owners of Johnny Lightning.
Oh wow.
Yeah, before round 2 and Praying Mantis took over.
Oh.
And so I have to go look at
More skid marks.
yeah, but I was wondering what the hell is the Lost Toppers, bro? You know what I mean? I didn't know what it meant, so I went to go check it out, and yeah, so and when I saw this Camaro, I was like, check out that chrome. That's like freaking so nice, bro. I was like, I had to get it, bro. I'll excuse it because I mean that was just so awesome.
Good, we can open it.
And that's like the only one I saw too, so I really don't know what you're saying about that. So I like this chrome. I mean, look at it, all metal. You know, it's one thing I like about JLs. You know what I mean? And it's a 6.7, so I'm like stoked. Okay, so on to the next one. Move this right over here. Okay, let's see what we got in here.
I know what that is. That's my box.
Okay.
I had this for a while. Just never opened it.
Oh wow, individual floaties over here. Okay. Get this out of here. That wasn't me farting, okay? That was the bag, okay?
Sure.
That wasn't me farting.
Sure.
That was a bag, bro. That was a bag, bro.
We do have that on video.
Yeah, that was a bag, bro. That was a bag. But it's the bag, bro. It's not me. That's those bags, bro.
Oh, there it
Ooh, a trailer.
is. Yep. That's it. It's gonna go along with my other campers.
Wow.
Trailers.
Matchbox.
Yep.
Is there like a kitchen and stuff inside?
Yeah, non-functioning, but yes.
Oh no, there's stuff inside, dude.
Yeah, we'll do an opening and feature it.
Oh, you can't really see.
Yeah, too close.
All right. Okay, so
Okay, next box.
all right, next box right here. This bugger is heavy, bro. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Well, I see you get plenty stuff in here, so open them this way.
Ooh, they packed it good.
Yeah. Okay, so
That's because I bought it.
you know what, bro? Go pick your color, bro. Okay. Okay.
Number corn.
But dig your wrinkles, cause remember I opening them, I can just ooh.
That's okay. I opened them.
All right, check it out.
Oh, the Boulevard ones. Let's
Yeah.
get this box out of the way so you can get that.
Boulevard one right here. Look at that.
Yes. Boulevard version of the thing. Well, there's an actual word for it, but I don't know.
Oh,
what that
okay. This is on both of our stuff is mixed up in here, right?
Yep.
All right, so that's cool.
This one is yours, the one
Yeah.
you wanted and kept saying, "Why are you whoring off my sellers?" Until he figured out the shipping is combined. And
Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that is beautiful, man.
Until he figured out the shipping is combined.
Okay.
I'll cut that.
Get one loose one over here. Oh, no, got one right there.
So I'm not afraid to buy loose stuff.
Oh, get clean
As
that.
long as it's a good car, I'll buy it loose.
Ooh. Check that out.
Oh,
Bing. That's nice right there, man.
yeah. You know what? We never finished our VW opening.
That is
Cracking
nice.
open.
Yeah.
So we got that one. I think this is a garage series.
Nice rims, though. I like the rims.
Yeah, that is.
Look at that. Oh, no. Oh, no.
That is nice.
Oh, no.
Good. I'll go with my Hot Wheels favorites.
Put that on the side over there now.
Okay, next one. So
Okay.
I think this one only the fastback is yours.
This is the one you was hoeing off the guy, yeah?
Yeah.
I spent
And-
hours and hours on eBay and you just
Pull all the foam out.
hoe off the guy. Okay,
Pull
yeah.
all the, yeah. Let's get that.
Yeah, you got him, okay.
Can't be in the way.
All right. Oh, the Batmobile's mine.
Yeah.
See, look, I got my Batmobile finally. Finally, I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. All right, and
Yeah. I'm a Halloween fan. So,
this is cool, actually.
yeah.
This is real cool,
Ooh,
actually.
that truck is flat black. I didn't see that.
You're not
That is
racist,
nice.
because it's flat black.
No, I like my blacks round. And I bought this Studebaker.
That's really nice.
because we have a
To rub it in my face because I don't have one.
thrift store find video we still gotta do where I found one of these in the thrift store. So I wanna figure we can pull those together.
And this is the one you said, "Oh crap! I got a duplicate. I got a duplicate."
Yeah.
Hey,
You know what? I gotta look at the window.
you got a chance at winning, dude.
I gotta look at the windows because I think the window color is different on the
Yeah, well, this one is clear. Some of them are blue, some of them are yellow.
Some are red.
Yes, some are red.
Okay.
Thanks
And
for,
that's after you read it.
that's after you
It's
read
red.
it. And this is the Beretta tat 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 tat.
Oh.
This is really nice. I like this. I like this.
Yeah.
It looks like a satin finish Spectra Flame.
Yeah. Yep.
Nice.
So I do have a few main lines with the Brat, and we have a premium set coming up with the Brat. So we're gonna save that for opening.
Yeah,
And Mustang fan, gotta get the
Yeah.
Mustang, especially the Fox body. That
Yeah.
is mine.
there we go. Close up on that.
Yep. Okay.
Okay, next.
Next. Okay, let me do this one. With this one off.
Put this right over here so you can
because
see
there's no
that.
room in front of us.
Yeah.
Okay, so up next.
Oh, I never crossed when the light was green. Crap. Let me go back.
Okay, so this I believe we got one for each of us.
Yeah. So this right here, just bang them out right here. Boom, boom, boom.
1, 2, 3.
Can you see that? Look at that.
Yep, I see
Oh,
which
no.
one is mine. It's the one in the middle.
Yeah. One of the bent one. All right. Look at that. That's a nice blue, bro.
And I really like that blue.
You know what? You know what? Wait a second. Look at that blue. And look at that blue. This one is darker. See? On camera, it almost looks the same. But off camera, you can see the difference.
Oh, well, cool.
All right. Oh!
Okay. They don't know what fell, but it was my light.
Yeah.
A light so that we can get good
John's
close-up.
$200 lights. Alright, there we go.
Yeah, I like this VW.
There we go.
The Brasilia.
Heat Fleet Brasilia.
Yeah.
Nice.
We're still gonna do an opening on that one too, but I think this one is.
Yeah.
This one is nice.
Mach 1 with the white wall rims over there.
That's it.
Look at that. Look at the tempos.
Let me tilt that light a little because it's pointing up too much. Okay.
Yeah, that's nice. And this one.
But not least.
How's that one?
Yeah.
Ecto 1, the Halloween special. And this is only from Kroger's that we don't even have here in the HI.
Yeah, well, I have it now.
Yeah, you got it. This is cool. I like this. Green windows, black roof, green and yellow flames, gold rims, orange. Ooh, and there's a pumpkin. Or do you say pumpkin?
That's how it's written.
Pumpkin, right? But people say, is that a pumpkin?
Yeah. Well, that was an epic mail call.
That was. And so, we don't want you guys
Oh.
to fall asleep, even though John dropping his cars over here.
Yeah.
So, we're going to wrap this up. Thanks again. Mahalos to everybody out there that showed us some love, dropped the great comments. We appreciate you. Live long and prosper. Mahalos for that. And does Star Wars have a saying too? Because I got to catch both sides, bro. May the force be with you. Okay. So there. Now I got all the Star Trek fans. I got all the Star Wars guys. So
hey, if we're
cool.
gonna get sued for something, why don't we just do them all?
I would say sued. I think we get yelled at by the Star Wars. We're not say something about us, and then Star Trek. We're not say so. I don't like to do that. So
well, Disney might have an issue with that.
yeah. But, Mickey Mouse come over and I was like, what, you freaking like scrap? Anyway, so
cheese.
it's just like I'm gonna slap him. He's gonna act like Goofy now. All right, so for the fifth time, trying to close this down. See, nothing ever goes the way we plan, so that's why we no plan. Like and subscribe. Thank you again, everybody, and we'll be back next week on
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.com.